Made it in one piece.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
All right, let's start from the beginning.
This is crab meat.
So there was some rumors that you made some crab meat, some crab cakes last year.
And I'm making it again this year.
Is there a clamoring for you to make them? Have people been asking for this?
They have.
Or
They've been asking and sending out invite letters and stuff.
She's got her own fan club.
I hadn't heard anything. I mean,
Well, you don't know everything.
I don't know everything. This is the first. Okay.
She has her own following.
I have
Okay.
following people. And
All
they
right.
have been requesting this all year. I
Yep.
only do it
All-
once a year.
Oh,
Waited a whole year.
we don't know if that's a good or bad thing. You only do it once a year.
I only want to, bless them with this once a year. I don't want to give too much. So I'm just gonna dump it in the bowl. I'm not gonna mix it up because you don't want to make it all mashy from the start. Yes, you want the clumps in there. You want the
Yeah.
clumps.
Seems like there's some offstage.
Direction.
Yeah.
So just dump it in there.
Alright.
And we're just gonna do a little. That's about all you want to do right there. You don't want to do any more.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to do any more.
He should have looked like he's been doing this for a long time.
I have. You have.
About a year, huh?
So we just a little bit. So I have my assistant.
Oh, okay.
Get my ingredients out. So I use some Old Bay.
Obey. Wow.
I'm just the
That-
assistant. You know,
Yeah.
I'm
Just
just
assistant.
Yes,
Assistant.
she already knows what to do. I've already informed her.
Oh, you already.
Yeah.
So now you informed her what to do, and now she's running it back to you.
No.
That's the what to do.
Yeah, I'm helping. She's helping.
Helping.
So it's all in the face. She's helping. So I think we're gonna use one more can cause it was such a hit that it was.
It's gonna be interesting to see how much we have left. Very interesting.
I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of Old Bay. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm gonna
3
open up the
tablespoons.
extra one because they all got gone last year.
They got good.
It was
They probably still got some left.
it was crazy. It was so crazy how.
I think we're going to need to switch the bowls.
And I think we're gonna need to switch the bowls. This bowl is not
My
a quilt.
phone's acting up. Got like an echo, like somebody saying something beforehand, and then I hear you say it.
Huh? I don't hear
You don't
it.
hear it? Wow. Wow.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna switch bowls.
I almost
Thank
got-
you, assistant. See, she read my mind.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna dump this.
Good God, that bowl. That's a bowl. I don't think I ever seen one that big.
Wow, you have to like come in there. So I'm gonna sprinkle. Sprinkle. You want to sprinkle, that's about all you want to do. So I'm just gonna do 3. 1. Okay. Just my little. I might do this at home one day if they don't go too crazy over it. That's done. So my assistant's gonna bring out my next ingredient.
Oh,
So
What would that happen to be?
I'm gonna
assistant.
yeah, so she's gonna
Oh.
I know how you do. I was trying to learn how you lightly tossed it.
Yes, I lightly
toss it from
Oh.
the bottom. You just lightly
Yes.
toss it.
I let
Lightly.
her get started sometime. Just lightly.
Wow. Sometimes.
Yeah. Just cause she's learning. My assistant is learning.
Sometimes.
We just lightly toss it.
Sometimes seems like all the time.
Lightly toss it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's light.
Because you're just getting it mixed up in there, you just lightly toss it.
Yeah. See, lightly toasting.
So I'm getting the breadcrumbs for you.
Oh, the bread.
Thank you. I
Okay.
needed those.
Because you need
I was-
6 to 12 tablespoons of breadcrumbs lightly tossed.
I was
Thank
wondering
you.
with it, yeah.
Thank you, assistant.
You're quite welcome.
So we're probably gonna do 8.
You are so amazing. I just want to know I've been waiting a whole year for this.
I'm so cute. Thank you. I get it all the time. I get it all the time. It's okay. It's
Can I
okay.
get your autograph?
Wow.
If I have a time, if I have a chance, I'll give you my autograph.
Wow.
I'll make sure I get it for you.
Can
Okay.
I get your autograph too?
No.
And the Academy Award goes to
8.
Best Supporting Actress.
8 tablespoons of that.
Good.
8. 8 of this.
Y'all over here like Bill Cosby and Theo when he was carving that turkey.
3. Count for me, people. 4.
Why you trying to no look it down into there like you want? You do it. You better pay attention.
Oh, it's almost ready to be lightly tossed in
Oh
again.
yes. I'll stop at 5 and lightly toss it.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Amazing. This is just amazing.
Thank
To
you.
be in your presence
The bird.
and watch
Yeah.
such excellence
Thank
in
you.
motion. It's
Yeah.
just
Wow.
And you
so
know,
heartwarming.
I love my supporters. You know, they really support me and stand by me. And, you know, they look forward to this every
I
year.
write on your blog every day.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
See,
you. I have my.
That's the thing about when you come up here to DC and with the political landscape, you get a lot of acting and a lot of false narratives and things of that nature.
So I'm gonna add 3 more because I was at 5. 1, people.
So I need okay, and that's probably enough.
Oh, that's yeah.
Yeah, because I remember last year when you did it, you put about that much in there.
I did.
And then you put a couple of mayonnaise.
I guess. Can
Oh.
I please have my mayonnaise? I'm gonna.
Right.
You really follow me on my blog.
Yeah,
really
exactly
did.
what to do.
I've learned so much.
Thank you.
I guess the student has become the teacher.
Oh no, never.
You know, teach
Yeah.
one, you know, learn one, what is it? Learn one, show one, teach one.
Teach one.
Are you talking about
No.
the thing that they feel like Thank you. Thank you. And now, now let me quiz.
Don't remember anything that you've seen.
Now, let me quiz my assistant. How much do you think a mayonnaise we need, assistant?
We need a cup of mayonnaise. That's what I remember from
Yes.
last year. What you
And you're
did
exactly
was a
right.
cup
You're
of mayonnaise.
You're exactly
Here's
right.
a spoon you can use to dip that mayonnaise out.
Thank you. She's exactly right.
Oh.
Thank you.
I remember because I've been following you all this time.
Yes, and you know my subscribers have went up to now I'm at 20,000.
20,000.
20? No, it's 50,000.
It's
When I was-
you know
Wow.
what? I don't check it on a daily basis.
Wow.
So
Wow.
there's times that it's up there. I mean, you know, so we're gonna do 1 cup of mayonnaise.
Okay.
You know, so
You're not gonna eat it from the jar like that guy did it.
oh no, we don't do that. This is no, we don't do stuff like that. This is we need some.
I remember now, you had another, like a half a cup more mayonnaise in there. I
Yeah.
remember now.
You remember? Oh,
Yeah,
look at
I
you.
remember.
Oh,
Because
wow.
I was following your blog and everything. And now I remember it was like a half a cup more.
Yes, yeah, and you know what, assistant, can I get some more mayonnaise so I can use that half a cup?
You know what? Because that's a different mayonnaise.
Yeah, let's try something different.
I'm sorry.
Yep, let's try something different.
I'm sorry, most honorable teacher.
Yes,
But since it's not enough of that mayonnaise.
yeah, and we don't like to mix it.
No, I learned that from you.
Yeah.
I did.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yeah, we don't like
Amazing. I
to
hadn't
mix.
thought about
So you don't mix mayonnaise?
No, we
No.
don't mix mayonnaise.
See, I don't never eat it, so.
We don't mix it.
How many times have you made this?
Oh,
This
it. Oh, it must be 1,000.
Yes.
1,000.
1,000.
I've seen it. I've seen her.
1,000 minus 999.
See, I did that the last time. It wasn't 1,000.
Assistant, can I have your assistant?
Oh wow.
I'm honored.
No, that's not.
I just love when people write into me and they want to come in my kitchen and help me out, and I'll allow, you know, like I have, you know.
Can I help?
No, one person at a time.
Shut down. Okay.
One person at a time. Now this is a
this
this is a more
pretty much-
richer
Trying to get the
mayonnaise.
net.
Oh yeah, it's probably a lot better.
This is a richer
Oh,
mayonnaise.
she
This
had
is
a mark
Duke.
boy. She tried to
This is called Duke. So I'm just
Duke.
gonna dump this in here, and then
And I think you just lightly toss that in there. After you
Yeah.
put that other half a cup in there.
Yes. Now, that
Right.
little girl that kept asking to be on here, she can come and watch this shit. Looks like you probably get your cameo. Found a composition for you. Alright, so now I'm just gonna lightly toss my mayonnaise in there.
Hey, Lee.
Because then you gotta put the eggs in there. Because that's the last thing to bind it.
So we want to do some binding now. But we want to toss this first. Is this real? And then we're gonna toss. But see, we toss so we don't, so it doesn't come mushy.
Crab cake.
So now I'm going to do some. Well, my assistant's going to do some mixture of 3 eggs.
Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to help somehow. I just to be in your presence.
Wow, this is a very emotional scene on Thanksgiving.
I
It's taking-
understand. It's okay.
it's taking a lot out of-
And I get
out of
this-
me.
I get this a lot, you know, with
You get this a-
with my people that my
So-
supporters that
Oh.
you know get emotional.
Right.
My supporters get very emotional a lot, and so I'm equipped to deal with all this.
Oh, you are?
Yes,
You was just so humble too.
I know.
I'm really equipped to deal with this. Okay, thank you.
She's humble, but it ain't much humble pie left. I'm looking for some. I was gonna get a slice, but it's all gone.
So this is going to bind it together. I'm telling you, this is a showstopper, okay? This is the showstopper
It is.
of Thanksgiving.
And now,
Shows-
now you're gonna make
tur-
the small crab cakes
Yes.
and put them on a pan so that they can lightly be refrigerated and
Yes.
ready for when you get ready to fry them. I remember that too.
Yeah, and I made the small ones. So,
Tell us about when your mama had slid that turkey.
I had taught her. She was cooking the turkey in the kitchen. I don't know if she put too much butter on it or what, or oil. All I know is, next thing you know, we saw a turkey fly across the kitchen. So, things with the flour.
Yes, you
Things
will.
with the wow. So
You are because you have crab meat on your hands.
Your-
most
the
knowledgeable.
specific terms that you
crab
use are
cake.
so like descriptive, and they take you there. You know.
This is taking me,
Yeah. So now all you have to do is make your crab cakes and set them on the.
That's exactly what I said too.
Listen, what we love about your show is the fact that you speak in layman's terms and like you bring it down to where people can.
And then I'm gonna fry them. So,
Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna toast a little flour on them.
I was sitting over here waiting to put on top of the crab cake.
Yeah.
How amazing is that?
It's
The
great.
foresight is just it's
just-
incredible.
See, you understand.
It's
Thank
amazing.
you, darling. Thank
Yeah.
you.
And the fact that you don't say anything and the items are here, like it's almost like
Yes.
somebody else would have to know how to make a.
Well, you know, like,
But I digress. I mean,
well, like, you know, like I like my fan club, my followers over here.
Where,
You know,
where did you learn this?
they follow me. I show them how to do it.
Where did
so-
you learn how to make When did you learn how to make these?
I've been making
what time
them
is
for a
it
long
No, but
now?
like, where, like, who taught you how to
About
make them?
12:05.
This is something I created. Probably created.
Created.
Something that I created. Oh, little one.
That's a good size right there.
Right there.
Yep. Pretty
Yeah.
awesome.
There we
All
go.
right, we're looking forward to the final product.
Well, I do this every day.
Oh.
I make crab cake. I made them.
You mean every time you're up here in the DC
No,
DC area because
Well, when President
No.
Obama was in office, you know, Barack, that's what I call him.
that's what you call.
I call him Barack and I call Michelle, and they requested, I went to the White House.
That's right.
Wow.
Yeah, I went, when they was up there, I don't go no more, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'm not going.
So you went to the White House.
Yeah, Barack invited me.
Inside.
Yeah, Barack invited me into the kitchen, and he wanted me to make these. So, you know, Malaya.
Malaysia. Dang, I got 2 daughters. You done called out 3 names.
I wasn't aware that you were on a first name basis. Like, I am. I don't tell y'all everything. I can't tell you everything.
What's amazing? It's amazing how like she could come up here and do something like that, and she's home that evening. Like we didn't even know she's go. You know what I'm saying? I guess she's flying back. You must be flying private. I imagine.
I'm flying the.
Right.
I heard that like when she, especially when she went to see President Obama, they sent the Air Force.
Yeah, I was
Oh.
flying the Air Force
for her.
Right.
Yeah, so it landed right in our backyard.
And couldn't say anything because you know how
can't say-
people
you
out
can't say
here, they
nothing.
coming out and
Oh.
trying to talk and
you know, it would have messed up the whole, you know, it would have been too much press.
yeah,
Too much press. Wow.
Did y'all get
Yeah.
a letter from
So, yeah, Brock wanted to keep it under. And me and Michelle had a good conversation about it.
How come we never met?
I understand.
I can't.
What was that, Jordan?
How come we never met them then?
Because you're on a first name basis with them. Like, you have to see them a lot.
And
It was a
Secret
private
Service.
party.
Secret Service, they didn't have enough people for you all.
But
No.
when we fly the plane, we have to fly coach, not private.
I mean, it hurts sometimes when you have haters.
All right, guys. We reporting. We about to sign out. Thanksgiving morning.
The non-local.
Getting ready. We got crab cakes coming later. By our
Not just crab cakes.
oh, not just crab.
The crab cakes.
Thank you.
The crab cake.
The
Excuse
crab
me.
cakes.
The yes.
They're in a league of their own.
Like I
Right.
said, Barack and Michelle love them. Yeah. You know, they called me this year, but I couldn't go. I couldn't go.
Yeah.
I
They
didn't
called
wanna-
her.
Yeah.
Oh, they
Yeah,
called
they did.
It's so funny. I would have thought he would have possibly. I mean, I'm just saying possibly had shouted you out at some point in the 8 years that he would have said, "Yeah, maybe gave you a shout." I never.
He eats chicken. I didn't want to.
I would have loved to have a little bit of that money that would have been generated from that, but yeah,
I was doing it out of goodness of my heart.
yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right.
Got my secret.
So we won't put this on any of your social media because that'll be 50, 100,000 people. We'll just do it on mine. We'll just be a smaller amount.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have like what? 10?
I don't have much. Yeah. All right. That's how you gonna do. You gonna just say that like that. Okay. See how your mother acts? See how she did that? We got these young ladies that this is the next generation. They're watching so that they know. You know, so hopefully you could be a source of inspiration for them.
Oh, I am. I'm always.
Well, usually it's the younger people that would say that someone was a source of inspiration as opposed to someone proclaiming that they are a source of inspiration. I've never seen it go that way.
The hateration in the world today is just so real.
Wait, how do you know
It's just
you're
so
our
real.
inspiration?
She has proclaimed that she's your inspiration.
And I'm not.
No, it's just
That's just like somebody 5'1" saying, "I'm tall." It's like it doesn't make it so, but you know. Jump in there. All right, so we get ready. Actually, we're gonna. So at this point in the game, I guess what we'll do is we'll get what they call it, the harvest. This is the harvest time. You seen all the prep work. Oh, I'm sorry.
Not ready yet.
Not ready, not quite ready. All right, we're not ready yet, guys.
Like napkins here to Have them drain the grease like the paper towels. Get them drained.
I remember I did that last time. And I was trying to make sure she didn't remember.
I remember
You
everything.
did. Thank you so much, my sister.
You're such a good friend because you really, throughout the course of this recipe, you've made sure that she remembered a lot of things.
I'm one of her biggest
Right.
fans of 50,000.
Yeah.
So I know
Okay.
everything.
So I'm gonna put
I
some
know.
napkins in here
Right.
and make sure that it's all good.
That was very nice. Great job. Great job.
Do like
It's gonna be awesome.
looks like or going to let. Oh, I think it's a grease ready. Let me.
Oh, see? Perfection.
Right. Oh, okay. All right. Good. Oh, look. Boy, I tell you what, boy.
So, and you know, when you're making them like this, since you already have the flour on the top, that's the side that you put down very gently.
Very gently. Oh,
So the flour side goes down first.
yes, it always
Yes.
goes down first. It always, yeah, that's why.
I wish
put
y'all
the
could see my
flour-
face right now. You better go ahead for the pop. You know.
Oh,
I'll turn it down a little bit for you, most excellent one. It's crazy. She's doing the cranberry.
We're gonna remember this when we about 75, 80. We're gonna pull it out.
You're gonna make sure you lay them down on that side. You want it nice and floury, because that's where I remember that you
That's
did
to get
it
that
before.
crisp. That's to get that crisp on there, baby. Crispy time. Look at that. Look, you're a working boy. Oh my.
She's not scared of that grease.
I know.
You see that? She
Yeah.
do that like someone who know they know what they doing.
I might need a little bit of flour.
Yeah.
You think I need a little bit more flour?
You good.
It's a certain consistency for this.
Yeah.
Probably
So-
one
so-
more so you can have room to turn them over.
yeah.
You can put some in that one. We're doing double duty.
Yeah, we got crabs.
Yes, indeed. The old McCormick don't have nothing on you.
No, he
They
does
do that
not.
with her.
Old McCormick.
No, he doesn't.
It's a little. She put a little Castle County spin on it, you know.
Yes. You know that counts.
See that she waited till the grease got nice and ready.
Yeah.
See, it's on the crack again.
She definitely took her time.
And I probably won't do any more so I can spin them around.
Lord.
This is my first pan.
So let me get the spatula out for you. 'Cause I know you're gonna be
Yeah.
flipping them real soon.
Yeah, because unless you're gonna do it with your hand.
You normally flip them. I know you remember how to do it, but I'm just gonna flip this one
Yes,
right
I'm
here.
gonna,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have my assistant show me how to do. Well, show
It's-
you all how to do it.
I know you know that.
Yes.
So we're gonna come back when we get closer to the end. We'll put a cap on this experience. Is what I'll call it.